Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about who can open a Revolut account. This is a question that I get asked a lot, so I thought it would be a good idea to do a video on it. Before we get started, I want to take a moment to talk about what Revolut is. Revolut is a fintech company that offers a variety of financial services, including banking, investing, and travel. It's a great option for people who are looking for a convenient and affordable way to manage their money. Who can open a Revolut account? So, who can open a Revolut account? The answer is pretty simple. Anyone who is 18 years old or older can open an account. There are a few other requirements, though. You will need to provide proof of your identity and address. You will also need to link a bank account to your Revolut account. Once you have met all of the requirements, you can open a Revolut account by downloading the app from the App Store or Google Play. What are the benefits of having a Revolut account? There are a number of benefits to having a Revolut account. Here are a few of the most notable. Free international transfers. You can send and receive money to and from other Revolut users for free. You can also send money to people who don't have a Revolut account, but there will be a fee associated with this. Low fees. Revolut offers some of the lowest fees in the industry. For example, you can withdraw up to £200 from ATMs each month for free. Cashback rewards. You can earn cashback on your everyday spending. Travel insurance. Revolut offers a variety of travel insurance products, including travel insurance for your next trip abroad. Cryptocurrency trading. You can buy and sell a variety of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Stock trading. You can invest in a variety of stocks and ETFs. Who should consider opening a Revolut account? Revolut is a great option for anyone who is looking for a convenient and affordable way to manage their money. It's especially well suited for people who travel a lot, as it offers free international transfers and low fees. Revolut is also a good option for people who are interested in investing in cryptocurrencies or stocks. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget to check out my other videos on personal finance. I would also like to add that Revolut is not a bank. It is a fintech company that offers a variety of financial services. This means that your money is not FDIC insured. However, Revolut is a regulated company, and your money is safe. I hope this information is helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.